What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mode. Today we're going to be doing a video and show you how to connect your phone to a 2021 Honda Accord. Like I said, this is a 21 Accord here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So we're in the car and it needs to be on or running. Then if we take our phone and open up our settings, and you want to open up your Bluetooth and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Then we're going to go over to our radio, and in the upper left-hand corner, there's this phone icon. Go ahead and click that, and it brings us to this screen. If you've already had phones connected to yours, it may go through a little phase of where it says searching before it brings you to this screen. But once you're to this screen, go ahead and click Connect Phone, Connect New Device, and it's just telling you here to make sure your Bluetooth's on. Press OK. Now if we take a look at our phone, we see hands-free link. Go ahead and click that. Then it's going to bring up this PIN number right here, and you just want to make sure this PIN matches the PIN on the radio, and it does. So we're going to go ahead and click pair. Now it's just asking me if I want to give it access to my contacts and all that. It's not going to matter either way, it'll still connect, but I'm just not going to set that up right now. If we go over to the radio, it's asking if you want the Honda link to call emergency services in an accident. I'm not going to set any of this up right now. And then the final thing I just want to show you, in order to play music on your phone, you can come up and click on this Bluetooth audio on the upper left-hand corner, and then you'll have your phone music playing right there. So pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.